Buenas, mi nombre es Rita Fernanda Romero y en el día de hoy vamos a hacer una entrevista a Gabriel Chanel. A continuación procederemos con las preguntas. Who was Gabriel Chanel?
I was Jenna's second child with Albert Chanel. My family resides in Random Lodgings.
What day was she born?
I was born in August 19 in 1883.
Where was Gabriel born?
I was born in French.
How many siblings did you have?
We were a family of 6 siblings, including myself.
In what year did you to work for the fashion world?
I designed my form interlock CC monogram since the 20s.
What was Gabriel's occupation?
I was a fashion design and business woman.
What do you think was your contribution to the fashion world?
Was the influence beyond culture clothing, realized my design aesthetic, my jewelry, headbands, and fragrance.
How was your clothing style?
I love dress with pants and silver striped t-shirt.
Where the nickname Coco came from?
Okay, Coco's nickname came up when I was young and working in a cabaret.
How was your dress?
I remember that I feeling ill and went to bed early and died on Sunday, 10th of January, in Paris, French, in 1971. Thank you.
A pleasure.
Ahora no encuentro la flecha.